Happy birthday to me. If I give you my youth, will you give me my dreams? 11 seconds, life's a time that's added to a number. 11 seconds gives a life and also takes another. I unfolded the world, and as my wise daddy said, take the oyster, it's yours, but leave some space in your head. Only follow certain lines, adventures and new places, and the faces that were strangers could become the answers that will still your mind. Dream days away, am I swimming upstream? If I plead and I pray, silence louder than the screams. Will eyes wide shut, let me see the unseen. Sold the skies, bought the dreams that they sold on TV. Blamed the stars for lullabies, sang the lies on which we feed. Compromise, worthy life, picking scars till we bleed. Fail to try to surmise that it's pleasure, not need. Swing, sway my way, life the letter number 17, bittersweet praise am I saved. I'm alive but I cannot breathe. Happy birthday to me. If I tell you my truth, will you pardon my sins? 20 years is half a life devoted to another. 20 years of laughter that they try to steal and smother. All the secrets unheard and all the tears that I held for all the ones that I loved. Picked me up when I fell, and all the ones that I lost, often ones I love most. Small tokens to why we ride this life, our great host. Dream days away, am I swimming upstream? If I plead and I pray, silence louder than screams. Will eyes wide shut, let me see the unseen. If I plead and I pray, silence louder than screams. Will eyes wide shut, let me see the bittersweet. Dream days away, am I swimming upstream? I'm alive but I cannot breathe. Bittersweet, will eyes wide shut, let me see the unseen. I'm alive but I cannot breathe.